Welcome students. In this session we are going to discuss the linear equations in two variables. Subtopic is finding solutions of these linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Right? To understand the concept more clearly, please watch the video till end. Yes. Now general form of the linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. What are these a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2? What are these? These are the real numbers, right? And x, y are the variables, isn't? This is the general form of the linear equations in two variables. For example, I have written here a pair of linear equations: 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Means we can say here a1, a2. a1 is the coefficient of first term, means term containing x variable, right? यहाँ पे a1 क्या है? This is the coefficient of x. Same as a2 is the coefficient of x here in this term. Same as b1, b1, b2, c1, c2. These are the coefficients of the different terms. Now, coming in this example, these are the 3 and 2. These are the coefficients 2 and 3. These are the coefficients of these terms. These terms containing x, y as variables, right? And so on. Now, what to do with it? In elimination method, what do we have to do? We have to equalize the coefficients of x or coefficients of y. Means whose coefficients will be equalized. To whom do we want to eliminate? Elimination of x or y is possible, right? Means we can eliminate either x or y. It depends on us. If in a question we are instructed to follow the elimination of x or y, ठीक है, वो अलग की बात है. तो एलिमिनेशन ऑफ x भी हो सकता है, y भी हो सकता है. लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन में ये बोला गया है कि x का एलिमिनेशन करना है, देन वी विल हैव टू एलिमिनेट x ओनली. अगर वहां एलिमिनेशन y का करेंगे, इट विल बी रॉन्ग, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज द मेथड टू एलिमिनेट? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट x. Eliminate means to remove from that equation, ठीक है, from that pair of linear equation. Means उसमें से हमें किसे x को निकालना है. Means x का एलिमिनेशन कर रहे हैं तो x को निकालना है, y का एलिमिनेशन कर रहे हैं तो y को निकालना है. तो हम यहाँ x को निकाल रहे हैं. कैसे? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू इक्वलाइज them. How can we equalize? Means 3 can be multiplied by 2 and 2 will be multiplied by 3. Then both of them will be equal to each other. ठीक है? Means 3 is multiplied by 2 and 2 is multiplied by 3. Right? We are not here to multiply only this first term only. We will have to multiply the whole equation by 2, right? So yes, what do we get? 2 3 ja 6x. Now 2 2 ja 4y, same as 2 6 12 हो गया. 2 12 ja 24 equal to 0. Same as 3 2 जा 6x minus 3 3 जा 9y, then minus 30 हो गया. Now we have equalized these coefficients of x, right? Now for elimination what do we have to do? First of all we have to apply the rules of the addition. ठीक है, वो क्या है? अगर हम एडिशन कर लेंगे then what will happen? 12x यहाँ कितना आ गया? -5y. यहाँ कितना आ गया? ये -6 equal to 0. Here is no elimination of x, neither x nor y. Elimination तो हुआ ही. अगर बेटे ऐसी सिचुएशन आ जाती है then means अब यहाँ पे देखो two pairs of linear equations we were already given. One more linear equation we have obtained here, right? Now what to do? We will have to go into subtraction instead of addition. मोटिव क्या था कि हमने x को एलिमिनेट करना है, तो x का एलिमिनेशन तो हुआ नहीं, तो जब एडिशन से नहीं हुआ then skip in subtraction. Yes. Now for subtraction what do? We change the signs of the lower equation. ये माइनस है, प्लस है, माइनस माइनस will become plus and it is also plus, right? What do we have now? 6 ये पॉजिटिव है, 6 अब ये क्या हो गया? नेगेटिव. We are left with 0. 0 means कि we are now successful in eliminating x. हमने x का एलिमिनेशन कर दिया, रिमूव कर दिया x को. Now we are left with ये 4 प्लस के हैं, 9 भी प्लस के हैं, प्लस के 13 हो गए. You can write it as without putting the sign. ठीक है, फिर भी तो ये पॉजिटिव है. सेम एज यहाँ कितना आ गया? प्लस 54 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ y, अब ये उधर चला गया, -54. The value of y is -54 divided by 13. Is it? This is the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x also. So take any one of the equations from the given equations to find the another variable. एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आ गई, दूसरे की अभी रहती है. So we are taking here 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. Now place the value of y here. 3x plus 2. What is y? -54 upon 13 plus 12 equal to 0. 3x, what do we get here? -108 upon 13 plus 12 equal to 0. To find the value of x, we will have to shift these numbers to the right side. और राइट साइड पे ये चला गया तो ये पॉजिटिव हो गया ओवर 13, और ये 12 उधर जाके माइनस हो गई अपॉन 1. नाउ subtract them by taking the LCM. Now as we know, LCM will be divided by the denominator and whatever we get will be multiplied by the numerator. By doing so we are getting here 108 minus here 13 will be divided by 1, remain 13, and 13 will be multiplied by 12. It becomes 36, 3, 12 and 3, 15. What do we get here? Here 8 and 4 means -48 upon 30, right? And the value of x will be this 3. What is the relationship between 3 and x? Multiply. तो ये उधर जाएगा तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा, means it will be written as 3. So it is cancelling by 48. By cancelling we are getting minus 16 over 30. Right? This is the solution. Means this is the value of x as well as this one is y. This is your solution. Okay.